Thanks for visiting. We're proud to show you this 2015 Ram 1500. On the driver's side, we have power locks, power windows, power mirrors, power fold, and mirrors. On this leather-wrapped steering wheel, we have your Bluetooth as well as your jazz controls and your stereo sound system controls just behind, as well as your cruise control. In the center, we have your AM and FM radio as well as your satellite radio, USB and auxiliary, driver and passenger heated seats as well as the heated steering wheel, dual climate control, Bluetooth, and more settings. Just below that is all your dials for your volume and climate control, your four-wheel drive, power outlet, a little bit of storage, USB, and another power outlet, cup holders, some storage in here with a power outlet, USB, and auxiliary. This does fold up for another passenger, and in the glove box you have your manual and some extra storage space. In the back we have your 20-inch all-season alloy wheels, dual exhaust. In the back you have decent sized legroom as well as a little bit of storage behind both seats, and you have your mats still in original packaging. Once again, we have those 20-inch all-season alloy wheels, and up top is your integrated turn signals. Coming to the front we have your daytime running lights and fog lights.